So recent situation in our country, India, has reminded us of a harsh reality, which is life is unpredictable. Whether it's a medical emergency or any geopolitical tension or a sudden job loss, one thing we all need in every situation is financial security. That's why today in this video I'm going to discuss about how to build your emergency fund. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Finance with Keerti, where we talk about finance in a very simple language. So if you're new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel because I keep on making this kind of informative content for you all. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you'll get the notification of all new videos. So today's topic is all about the emergency fund, something all Indian household needs, especially in time like these when we know that things can change anytime. So whether you're a student, a salaried person, a professional, or a small business owner, this video will guide you through everything you need to know. So let's start with basic. What exactly is emergency fund? So emergency fund is a money kept aside to deal with uncertain situation like a sudden medical expense, sudden job loss, or maybe geopolitical tensions like which we are witnessing today, home repairs, or anything like that. So this is the amount which has been kept aside separately to deal with this kind of emergency situation. This amount cannot be used for our regular expenses, for our vacations. So this is what emergency fund exactly is. So now let's understand why we need it. So let me give you 3 simple reasons why this is the perfect time to start building your emergency fund. Number 1, geopolitical uncertainty. So as we are watching in the news that situation between the countries can escalate overnight. This may affect our jobs, the stock market, and the global economy directly or indirectly. Number 2, rising of living cost. Well, inflation is real. If I talk about essential items like groceries, fuel, or healthcare, we are paying way more than which we are paying last year. Number 3, unstable job market. So nowadays, many of the industries are seeing layoff, changes due to AI automation or business shifts. Having an emergency fund will help you deal with this kind of uncertain situation, give you peace of mind no matter what is happening outside. So now let us understand how much emergency fund exactly you need. So the golden rule is basically 3 to 6 months of your living expenses should be your emergency fund. For example, if your salary or monthly expenses 25,000, then it should be the emergency fund should be 75,000 or maybe 1.5 lakhs. And in case you are coming under the category of self-employed or unstable income, then I would recommend at least you should have 6 months of living expenses as your emergency fund. So now the most important question is where to keep this fund. So basically, don't keep this fund in your regular saving account where you can be tempted to spend this amount. So make sure you're keeping it at a right place. Here are some recommendations from my side. Number 1, high interest saving account, where you can easily access your money plus you can earn some interest out of it. Number 2, liquid mutual fund, slightly gives you the return better than a regular saving account and safe. Number 3, fixed deposit with no penalty for early withdrawals. So these are the few safe recommendations from my side. Now let me tell you where you do not have to keep this emergency fund. So basically you cannot invest this emergency fund in a stock, crypto or real estate, because the motive here is to get the fund easily whenever the emergency hits, not earning return from that amount. So now let's get practical. You can start building your emergency fund from today onwards. Number 1, start small. Even saving 1,000 in a week or 4,000 in a month can add up. Number 2, automate saving. Set a monthly auto pay transfer to a separate account. Number 3, cut out non-essentials. Temporarily reduce eating out, shopping, or subscriptions. Number 4, use windfall wisely. Whether you are getting a bonus or extra amount from somewhere, get this amount a part of your emergency fund. Number 5, sell unused items. Old phone, furniture, clothes. Sell out the clutter into cash. So the moral of the story is it's not about how fast you're going to build it. It's about how consistently you are doing it, because emergency fund is the need of the situation. Nowadays, our country is dealing with some uncertain geopolitical tensions, and this is the best time to start with your emergency fund if you haven't done it already. So, if you have already started doing it or you are doing it for some time, do share your experiences in the comment section and let's inspire each other to deal with this kind of uncertain situation. So, I hope you found this video useful. So, hit the like button and do share it with your friends and family so that they can also start building their emergency fund and get some peace of mind in situation like this. And yes, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, because I keep on making this kind of informative content for you all. So do subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.